Mr. Speaker, I now turn to fiscal balance. Mr. Speaker, given the projected revenue and grants against the projected expenditures, the fiscal gap or fiscal deficit is projected to decline from Kenya shillings 718.0 billion, equivalent to 4.4% of GDP in financial year 2023-2024, from a projected Kenya shillings 840.9 billion, equivalent to 5.8% of GDP in financial year 2022-2023. The fiscal deficit will be financed through net external financing of a Kenya shillings 131.5 billion, equivalent to 0.8% of GDP, and net domestic financing of 586.5 billion, and that is equivalent to 3.6% of GDP. Mr. Speaker, our medium-term fiscal consolidation policy targets to progressively reduce the level of fiscal deficit from the expected 5.8% of GDP in financial year 2022-2023 to 3.6% of GDP in the financial year 2026 to 2027. Let me turn to public debt management, Mr. Speaker. Kenya's